Hey, ever wanted to make your own children's book but didn't know where to start? Well, today you don't have to. I'm handing you 2 complete booklets. They are ready to download, read, remix, and maybe even sell. Perfect for story time, custom gift, classroom reading time, creative projects, or your first publishing experiment. Both books were made with help from ChatGPT. I reviewed the text, fact-checked the info, and added in the sparkle. Images were AI generated. Then I boosted with extra 3D elements in Word, like animals and details to make every page more fun and engaging for kids. Let's start with Book 1, Plantastic Adventure. This one has the main character Benny the Rabbit hopping through cactus deserts, rainforest jungles, and flower fields. It's packed with plant facts, cheerful storytelling, colorful images, a quiz with answers, and a drawing challenge at the end. Want to use it right away? Grab the PDF version. I uploaded them on Google Drive and leave the link in this video description for you to grab. Want to tweak the text, swap the images, or translate it? Go for the Word version. You can open it in Microsoft Word or Google Docs and customize it however you like. Quick heads up. These books were made when ChatGPT first rolled out, so the images are best for screen use. If you want to print, you'll need to replace or enhance images with printable quality. I got another video showing you exactly how to prep AI images for printing. You may also want to remove background colors to save ink. Now, let's talk Book 2, as Pajama Engineers. This one's all about turning bedtime into a STEM-powered adventure. Kids explore space, invent stuff in the garage, go on backyard safaris, and even solve math mysteries. All through cozy, fun, and educational stories designed to spark curiosity and encourage hands-on learning. This book has the same setup. For reading, grab the PDF. For modification, grab the Word file, make it your own. Now that you've seen how these books are made, it's that simple. You can start creating your own. Turn them into something unique and publish them on Amazon Kindle. You can even make bilingual versions for your kids, your classroom, or your local community. If you live in a country where English is taught in grade schools, books like these are incredibly useful. They make learning a second language fun, visual, and engaging. Now you know. Making books like these to earn extra income is possible. It's a creative and meaningful way to turn AI into something awesome, helping kids learn. I just upload the files on Google Drive and put the download link in the description. So go ahead, grab one or all, get creative, make them your own, and let your ideas take off. Enjoy, and I'll catch you later.